if you're experiencing FPS drops in Red Dead Redemption 2, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to optimize your game settings and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings by navigating to the Options menu. Reduce settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can help improve frame rate significantly. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can enhance performance and stability. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources and lead to FPS drops. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to System Properties, select the Performance tab, and choose Adjust for Best Performance. This will disable visual effects that can slow down your system. Step 5. Monitor hardware temperatures. Check the temperatures of your CPU and GPU while playing. Overheating can cause throttling, leading to FPS drops. Ensure your system is well ventilated and consider cleaning dust from fans and components. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your game's performance. Enjoy your time in the world of Red Dead Redemption 2.